I'm going to show you how to make $50 per day using Pinterest absolutely free. You don't need a website, you don't have to have any products, and you don't even have to have a following. I'm going to show you how to make money using Pinterest 100% free in this video. Now, why are we talking about Pinterest? Well, guys, in 2022, there are over 433 million people actively using Pinterest. And the crazy thing is there's not a lot of marketers that are utilizing Pinterest the correct way. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making money with Pinterest as soon as this week. Now, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. The goal of this channel is to help you quit your 9-to-5 job, guys. That's exactly what I was able to do when I started my online business back in 2019. So if you're interested in learning how to leave your 9-to-5 job and having full financial and time freedom, please subscribe to this channel because I'm seriously coming out with content almost every single day. Let's get into the video. Now, before I show you how to start making money using Pinterest, you need to understand how Pinterest works, okay? So people go on Pinterest.com to research before they buy things, okay? A lot of people are doing this research. So for example, I could be going into Pinterest and typing in, something like best smart TV, okay? And there's gonna be a ton of pins, okay? Now you can see here the 7 best smart TVs in 2021, the 5 simple steps to buying the right smart TV. There's all these pins, okay? Now, typically on Pinterest, it's gonna be a picture, okay? Now, what you can do on Pinterest is you can click on, let's just say this one right here, the best smart TVs in 2021. Now, as you can see, it looks like this is a bit outdated because it is 2022, but I'm gonna click on this and see where it takes me, okay? So it takes me to here, but typically you could actually click on this website here and it's going to take you to the actual blog. Okay, so as you can see here, now it's giving me the best smart TVs in 2021. Okay, so how do we start making money with Pinterest? Okay, so basically we want to take people off of Pinterest and into either our website or our landing page. Okay, and the way these people are making money is all these links here to these TVs are affiliate links. Okay, I'm going to prove that to you. Let's just say I go and I want to buy this TV here because that's what they recommended. So I'm going to click on this and it's going to take me to Amazon. And as you can see here, it's an affiliate link. Okay, so that affiliate link, if I were to buy this TV for literally $19,000, this person would get a commission. Okay, so Pinterest is extremely powerful, guys, because it's a search platform, kind of like YouTube. Okay, now I've used Pinterest, as you can see here, and I get over 31,000 monthly views. Okay, and I'm posting content to get people to my YouTube channel, to my email list, to my challenges, to my courses, because Pinterest is extremely powerful because people go and type in something, in my niche, like how to make money online, how to get more leads, how to get more sales, and people will find my pins and go to my content or to my websites or to my funnels. Okay, so I just want you to understand how Pinterest works and why it's so powerful. Okay, people are actually typing in exactly what they want, which makes it very, very powerful. Okay, a search engine platform is my favorite type of traffic. Now, I do want to give you guys a more practical example on how you can start making money with affiliate marketing and Pinterest. Okay, so basically, if people go to Pinterest and type in something like how to build an email list, okay? So someone's trying to figure out how do we build an email list, they're gonna find all these pins here. Now, I'm just gonna pick on a pin here and see where it takes me. So why you need to build an email list, how to start an email list. Let's go to this one right here, and it's gonna take me to this website, okay? So this is where the power is, guys, because now it's taking me to this website where I can go check out this post on how to build my email list. But this is where this person's making the money, okay? And this, if I go to sign up for your email provider, this link right here goes to an affiliate link, okay? So that if I click on here, it's gonna take me to this person's link, okay? If I'm going through this article and I wanna figure out how to build my email list, then I could go and get all this information on this website, but the way this person is actually making money is by having affiliate links throughout this website and this blog. Okay, so as you can see here, check out this convert kit. Okay, now if I click on her link here, it's going to take me to her affiliate link. As you can see, this is a link here at the top. Now, if I were to buy this, then she gets a commission. Okay, this is exactly what I've been doing in my business to get more affiliate commissions. Okay, now I do the same thing, but with programs like Get Response. Okay, so if I go to the Get Response affiliate program, you can actually become an affiliate for Get Response. Okay, now Get Response is another email autoresponder that I promote. As you can see, you can make $100 per sale or even 33%, okay, per reoccurring monthly commissions. Now, as you can see here, I use this exact same system to make money with Get Response. Okay, as you can see here, over $1,900 just last month by using this exact same method. Okay, it's extremely powerful, guys, because people are going to websites like Pinterest, they're typing in how to do something, and all you have to do is create a website where you then give them some value. You show them exactly what they're looking to do. Now, within that website or within that blog, you're going to show them how to get access to your affiliate links or your affiliate products, but you're showing them how to actually use it. And that's where it becomes extremely powerful. Now, the next step is to actually build out this website for yourself. Now, there's a few ways that you can do this. In this tutorial, I want to show you exactly how you can do this 100% free, as I promised in the beginning of this video. So you're going to want to use a website called Google Sites. It's basically Google website where you can go and create a blog 100% free. Let me show you how. So if you go to sites.google.com, you can go and create this website absolutely free. Okay, so basically what we're going to do here is we're going to create our blog. Okay, because what we want to do is kind of create this same kind of thing where people are typing in Pinterest, they click on your blog, and that blog itself has the affiliate links, right? Just like that example I showed you right here, where they have like step 1, step 2, step 3. Another idea here, another example I want you guys to understand is listicles. Okay, it's also really important, like 30 surefire ways to build your email list. Okay, that's called a listicle because it's giving you, like, 5 ways to make money online, 30 ways to build your email list, 10 ways on, whatever it is, right? Whatever you're trying to promote. So if I go to this website here, you can see it gives me a list of 30 surefire ways, right? Whatever we're trying to do. Okay, so that's what we want to replicate on our website. Okay, honestly, just go and model other people's content in your own words. Okay, make sure that you're finding something that makes sense, that's providing value, but more importantly, you have affiliate links throughout here. Okay, as you can see, this person here is, she says, check out my 3-day training here. And she probably has an affiliate link for Lead Pages, as you can see here. She has an affiliate link for Blue Chick. So there's all kinds of affiliate links that this person has, okay? ConvertKit, Get Response, all these are affiliate links, okay? So how do we actually do that? If we go back to sites.google.com, we can go and create this website, okay? Now, it's really easy to do, guys. All you gotta do is sign up for this free website here with Google, and you could create a blank site. Okay, so if you go to the blank here, you can literally create this website in just a few minutes. Okay, and it's very easy, guys. Drag and drop type thing. So like 5 ways to make money, and then obviously you can go down here and then add a text box and start typing. Okay, here we go. And then you start typing your blog. Okay, so that's exactly what you want to do. Now, it's really important that, inside of this blog, right? So let's just say you have an affiliate link to Get Response, and we could get our affiliate link. Okay, now within this blog that we're creating, we want to go ahead and add this link, right? So as you can see, I just wrote out something real quick. Now, what I can do is I can actually highlight Get Response, and I could add an affiliate link. Okay, this is where it becomes extremely powerful, because now people are going through this blog, they're going to find it on Pinterest and then go to this blog, read it, get value from it, but more importantly, click on our affiliate links where we can now make money, right? Now, again, we want to actually take time on these blogs, right? As you can see, they're very informative, giving you a ton of information So you need to replicate kind of the same thing, okay? Try to give people a ton of value, a ton of things that they can take action on. And the way you're making money is they're going to be clicking on your affiliate links, okay? So I'll show you exactly how this works. So the first thing I like to do is actually create the website, create the blog. Once you do that, the next part is to actually create the pin, right? Because people are going to be going to Pinterest. They're going to see your picture, click on your picture, and then it's going to lead them to your website where they're going to click on your affiliate links and then you make money, okay? But how do we create the pin, okay? So basically, we're going to go to a website called canva.com where we can do this absolutely free. We're going to be making pins similar to what we see here, okay? 30 ways to build your email list, how I grew my email list, how to start an email list, right? Something like that, right? I typically like to model what the best people are doing, right? Now, if I go to the search bar here and I type in Pinterest, it's going to give me a Pinterest design template, okay? So I could click on this right here and it's going to give me the exact dimensions for a design on Pinterest, okay? So you can even go through a simple tutorial here, but very, very easy to do, guys. And the cool thing, they give you actual templates that you can use over here, okay? So I could scroll through here and I can see which ones I like, which ones I don't like. So typically we're going to use something like this, okay? Start your online business in 3 easy steps, right? So depending on what you wrote in your blog, we're gonna do something similar, right? So I'm gonna do something like 5 ways to make money with your phone. So in this case, I'm not gonna use a laptop, I'm gonna use a phone. So what I can do is I can go to elements and I could type in phone right here. I'm gonna go to right here. There we go. Now I could actually add that picture here and make it really nice, right? So obviously we could take this out and we could just make this bigger, right? We can make this bigger. We might want to take out this brown. However you want to do it, guys. This is your Pinterest design. I'm not a designer, so I just like to see what other people are doing and kind of model that, okay? So that's what we're going to do here is create this pin, right? Now, the cool thing is they give you these templates already done. All you got to do is kind of match it to your blog, okay? That's the biggest thing, is you want to congruent with the blog that you just created. So now the next step is to actually upload this pin to Pinterest, okay? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to download this photo here. I'm going to download that whole photo, and now what I can do is I could go to Pinterest.com, and what I could do here is upload the photo. So we're going to go create here at the top left and create pin. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add the photo, okay? So if I go to the Pinterest pin that we just created, now I have the actual pin. All I got to do is add a title, a description, and the best part is you're going to add our website here at the bottom, where this is where we lead people to our blog so we can start making money. Now, it's really important that we put a high SEO or high search engine title, okay? So something like 5 ways to make money online from your phone in 2022, okay? So that tells the user exactly what they're looking for, right? So if people type in, you know, how to make money from your phone, we want our pin to show up at the top, okay? The next thing you do is just tell people what the pin is about. Now it gives you 500 characters you can write about. I like to write a good description, guys. I like to write something that has all these keywords, right? You know, something that says make money online, make money from your phone. So I'll give you kind of an example of what I would write. All right, guys, so I wrote something very, very quickly, but as you can see here, I have, you know, how to make money from your phone, make money from your phone in 2022. I'm going to show you 5 ways to make money from your home or from your phone. So guys, I have the keyword multiple times, okay? Because I want to tell Pinterest exactly what this is about. So when people type that in, they're shown the right pin, okay? And then the last thing here is we add the affiliate link, okay? Now, what I like to do is I like to send people directly to a blog, okay? Just like I showed you right here, where we created this free blog on Google Sites. Now, what you can do is you can send directly to the affiliate link, okay? So for example, if I was just promoting something like GetResponse, I could literally just send people here, okay? Now, I recommend creating this blog because you're gonna give people a lot more value, and people, once they get more value, they're gonna trust you more and they're gonna click on your links and buy your products, okay? So highly recommend that you go and you take the time to create these websites here. But honestly, you can just create one website, one blog, and you can create multiple pins that are pointing to this website, okay? So for example, for creating, you know, these pins, these images, right? for example, we could all point them to this website here, okay? So you don't have to go and create multiple blogs. What you want to do is create multiple pins, right? So maybe, 10, 20, 30, 40 pins that all point to this website, okay? Because, this is not hard to do. You can use different images, different wording, and you could point it all to the website here, okay? So this blog, okay? So I'm just gonna do like a little world here. This is your blog, okay? This is your actual blog, which is this right here, which shows them how to make money, okay? Or whatever it is that you're trying to promote. So it's really important here that you put your affiliate link or the link to your website, your blog, whatever it is you're promoting, so people could click on this picture. It's gonna then take them to the website here where they're gonna go through it, get value, and buy your affiliate products. Now, guys, you're not gonna get rich overnight with one pin. You're gonna wanna create multiple pins, multiple things to get people from Pinterest to your website, okay? As you can see here, if I go to my Pinterest account, I have a ton of content, guys, because the more content you create, the more you're gonna get yourself out there, okay? And we make money doing this with multiple affiliate products. Now, guys, I hope this video was of value on how to make money from Pinterest, 100% free. Now, guys, if you're looking to start affiliate marketing and do it the right way, promote multiple affiliate products while you're helping your customers out, then I want to invite you to my challenge where I'm going to show you exactly how I stack multiple programs on each other to make money with affiliate marketing, build our email list, but more importantly, make passive reoccurring commission. So if you're interested in that, I'm gonna leave a link to that down below in the YouTube description where you'll have access to that challenge. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was of value, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless.